Welcome to the Getting to Know BSS DCP-555 video. The DCP-555 digital conferencing processor leverages industry-leading audio processing in a template-based solution and provides IT managers and integrators with an easy-to-use web interface that allows for quick deployment of configurations. The DCP-555 offers a range of connections for both audio and control. Its analog I/O consists of 16 balanced mic line inputs and 8 balanced line outputs. Easy signal routing among other Harman audio products such as Crown CDI drive core amplifiers and BSS Blue USB interfaces is made available with access to a 28x32 BlueLink interface. Support for web conferencing applications utilizing devices such as the AMX Ascendo core is provided through the included 2x2 USB connection. Network connections A and B not only provide access to the internal web interface and third-party control, but also include support for AES-67 networked audio and 4 simultaneous bidirectional voice-over IP lines, respectively. Controllers such as the BSS Contrio ACV can interface with the DCP-555 through any of its 16 general-purpose inputs, while 6 general-purpose outputs may also be used for controlling status indicators such as an LED ring on a microphone. 2 relays are made available for controlling functions of an external device such as placing an amplifier into sleep mode. Finally, an external control device such as the AMX NX2200 may be used to control the DCP-555 through its RS-232 port. Configuring the DCP-555 is extremely easy. Any device with access to a web browser may be used to log in to the DCP's internal web interface. The web interface provides access to pre-configured templates such as split rooms or combinable rooms, enabling the configuration of solutions within a matter of minutes. Just make modifications as required. If the pre-configured templates don't work for you, then a blank template may be used to create a new configuration. Audio input processing consists of 28 channels of parametric EQ, 12 channels of acoustic echo cancellation, and 16 channels of compression. 4 gain-sharing auto mixers may be used simultaneously to provide clear and intelligible speech reinforcement to their output paths. And finally, audio output processing provides parametric EQ and limiting across each output path. Whether needing to configure a simple one-room solution with web conferencing, or something a bit more complex that includes sound reinforcement for 4 conference rooms, each with their own dedicated VoIP line, the BSS DCP-555 is an excellent solution for a variety of meeting spaces, such as conference rooms, boardrooms, and classrooms. For more info, please visit www.bssaudio.com, and thanks for watching.